Good morning, children. This is our English language period, and today I will introduce adjective to you all. Now, tell me what are the things that you can see on the screen? Cake, good, car, lady, or we can say women, house. Yes. Okay, children, now tell me one word that we can use for all these things that you can see on the screen. I just want to know one word in grammar that we can use for all these four things. That is nouns. Very good. So children, what if I want to replace nouns? I don't want to use noun. Is there any other thing that we can use in the place of nouns? What is that? Pronouns. Very good. If we don't want to use nouns, we can use pronouns on the places of nouns. Good. Now, do you have any idea about the words that we use to describe these nouns and pronouns? Tell me. Or do you know what we call those words? What we call those words which we use for describing nouns and pronouns in the grammar? There is a particular word that we use for the words we use to describe nouns and pronouns. Tell me. Yes, adjectives. We use adjectives to describe nouns and pronouns around us. Yes, you have done in class 4th. Yes, I know that you all know that what is adjective. So, I'll be taking little revision here. So, children, we can say that adjectives are also known as describing words. Yes, if I'll say that adjectives are describing words, it is right? Is it right? Yes, it is absolutely right. Adjectives are describing words, and what they describe? They describe nouns and pronouns. Yes. Now see, what is the definition of adjective? Now, read with me. An adjective describes or modifies nouns and pronouns in a sentence. This means, children, adjectives are those words that gives more information about nouns and pronouns. They help us to know noun and pronouns in a better way. Okay, now see what is next. It normally indicates quality. It tells that how noun or pronoun is. What is the kind of that thing? What is the type of nouns and pronouns? Yes, children. So that is what? Quality. What are the qualities? Like beautiful, sweet. These are what? Quality. Like large. Blue. Blue is what? Color quality. Yes. Kind. Kind is what? Somebody is sober and sophisticated. Yes. Strong. These are what? Quality of somebody. Yes. Children. Now size. Big. Small. Tall. Short. What are these? These are size. Now come to shape. What are the shape, children? What are the shapes? Rectangular, triangular, yes, and square, yes, and there are many shapes. Please tell me. Spherical, yes. So these are the different shapes that we use to describe something or to tell about something. When we talk in terms of shape, duration, it tells time, feelings, how you feel from your heart, from your mind. It tells about your feelings also, contents, etc. So these are the words that describes nouns and pronouns. Is it clear, children? This much is clear? Very good. So children, we can say adjectives provide relevant information about the nouns and pronouns by answering questions like what kind, how many, how much, which one. Yes, because these questions, what kind, how many, how much, which one, help us to know more about nouns and pronouns. They gives us more information about nouns and pronouns around us. Yes, and yes children, adjectives are very helpful to us as it also help us to compare things. Adjective also helps in comparing things. Is it clear children? Now let's see how adjectives help us to know more about nouns and pronouns. Let's take few examples. First, what is this children? This is cake. Yes. Now let's see what are the different words that we can use or different adjectives we can use to describe this cake. Sweet. Why sweet? Because cake is sweet in taste. Yes, cake is sweet in taste. Why? Because we put sugar in this. Yes, children. And it is really tasty. Yes. Now see what is the next word? Round. What this word round is describing, children? This word round is describing about the shape of the cake. That cake has round shape. It has round shape. Cake is a noun. So cake has round shape and it has round shape. It is what? Pronoun. Yes children. Now see what is next? Creamy. As you all can see, there is lot of cream on this cake. So it must be very creamy. Again, creamy is telling about the cake. It is giving information about the cake. Delicious. Delicious means tasty. This cake is really delicious. Yes. So children, these are the words or adjectives that we have used to describe this cake. And there are many other adjectives that we can use for describing cake. So sweet, round, creamy, delicious. What are these? These are adjectives. Now let's take one more example children. What is this? This is car. What kind of car is this? Electric car. Yes, this is an electric car. An electric car is good for reducing pollution. Yes, children? Now see what is the next word? Orange. What this is telling? Orange is telling what? About fruit? No. This orange is telling about the color of this car. This car is in orange. This is orange car. Now next, automatic. What is automatic, children? That means in this car, we don't have to change gear. Car itself will change the gear whenever it is required. Yes. What is next word? Powerful. That means this car is really powerful. Power window, power steering. Yes. So powerful, automatic, orange, electric. These are the words that we use to describe this car. These are the adjectives that helps us. These are the adjectives that help us to know about this car. Now let's take one more example. Oh my God, who is she? She's a beautiful lady. Yes, she is beautiful. Yes, I find her beautiful. Now see what are the words that we can use for this beautiful lady to describe her. Charming. She is really charming. See, she is charming. Charming means she is beautiful. Now, gorgeous. Again, gorgeous means she is beautiful. See, she is pretty. Yes. Now, green sari. Green sari is telling that she is wearing a green sari. You can see that this lady is wearing a green sari. Now, what is next word? Shy. She is shy in nature. Yes. So these Adjectives: charming, gorgeous, green sari, shy. These are the words, these are the adjectives that help us to know about her. Yes, children. She is tall. Yes, she is standing. So what? These are the different words that we can use to describe her. Yes, children. Now let's take one more example. What is this, children? House. What kind of house is this? Beautiful house. Yes, as you can see, this is small house, but this is beautiful house. Small is again adjective. Yes, children, this is small and beautiful house. Now see, what is the next word? Comfortable. That means you are comfortable in this house. You are at ease in this house because this house is having everything which will make you comfortable. Okay, which will make you comfortable. Yes, so this house is beautiful, small and comfortable. Yes, see what is next? Furnished. Furnished means this house is having all the facilities that we need for good survival. Yes, for good living. So these are the words: beautiful, comfortable, small. These are the different words that we can use for this house, to describe this house. Is it clear, children? Is it clear to you? So here I have taken few examples to explain adjectives. How adjectives are helpful to us in describing nouns and pronouns around us. Okay? Now children, we know why the adjectives are important to us. Now let's see what are the different kinds of adjective. Adjectives of quality. It helps us to know about the quality and kind of nouns or pronouns. Next, adjectives of quantity. It helps us to know about the quantity. Okay, how much it is. Is it clear, children? Now let's see what is next. Adjectives of number. It tells us about the numbers and how many numbers. Okay, now demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives, this, that, those, these. Yes. Now what is next? Interrogative adjectives. It helps us to ask question about nouns and pronouns. What is the next one? Possessive adjectives. It tells about the ownership. So children, here adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives and possessive adjectives. These are the different adjectives. Okay, we will be learning more about these adjectives in next class. So for this class we have done. Okay, so this is all for today's class, children. Stay blessed. Thank you.